Hello, this is Carl Berthelette. I would like to show you quickly how to use an Avazzia Evolution device. So it's very easy to use. It's a portable device. It's powered by two AA batteries here on the side. The main probe is in the back of the device. To open the device, it's simply turn it on like that. And by pressing the mode button here, you see every time I press, I change the mode. So this is like there's 8 mode or 8 frequency of action if you want, and there's the power level plus minus at the top. So how to use this device is very easy. You simply need to put the probe on your skin, and of course you need to be not pregnant if you're a woman, and do not wear a pacemaker, of course. So you need to put the device on the point of pain. Then you'll need to press the button plus until you feel a little tingling sensation. And when it's done, you just need to simply brush the skin where you need to have your painful area. So that's how to use the device. So there's 8 different modes of action, and the first 4 is more for relaxation and for sleep enhancement. The last 4 it's more for pain management. So let's start with the first one, which is called the alpha mode. This is very useful for relaxation, to release stress, and also to enhance sleep. So how can we use that? It's simply you brush the device on your forehead or near your temple. The second one for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. The second one is 32 to 45. It's very good for memory and concentration. Again, you simply need to brush the probe on your forehead and near your ears for 5 to 10 minutes. We also have ear clips that we can plug on the side, and you just need to put one ear clip on each of your lobe. 60 Hertz relaxation, it's a biofeedback mode for muscle relaxation. 77 Hertz is very useful for scar tissues. So if you have adhesion on your skin because of a surgery, this device, you need to brush the scar in every direction, and you will quickly see a difference in the skin texture, the coloration of the skin, and as well as the adherence under the skin that will very diminish. 120 Hertz now, it's the last 4 mode. This is for pain management. So 121 is very good for chronic pain. 350, very efficient for acute pain. So you simply need to brush the area of the pain for 5 to 10 minutes. RSI is for repetitive stress injuries. So this is very useful for repetitive movement. So in your work or in your hobby or in your sport, if you do a lot of movement which cause you pain, this mode will be very efficient to release the pain very quickly. And last but not the least, blue stimulation. It's a mode that will switch his frequency between 20 Hertz and 160 Hertz. This would be like a swipe, if you want, of frequency in your body. And this will go deeper into the tissue to help you to relieve pain very efficiently. And this is how we use the device. Open it, choose the mode, adjust the power level on your skin to feel a little tingling sensation. You should not wear a pacemaker or be pregnant, and it's very easy to use. All the members of the family can use it, and this is the same device for all the members of the family. This device is regulated by Health Canada and the FDA in the United States for pain management. And this is a class 2 medical device. So if you have insurance, this can be reimbursed by your insurance company if you get a prescription from your doctor. And of course, if you have your income tax at the end of the year, you can claim this device if you get your doctor prescription as well. So that's pretty much it. That's very easy to use. So I will recommend you to try the device, and this will be very helpful for you and all the members of your family. Thank you very much.